All digital marketers want to know if they're getting value from their ad spend. The Track Return on Advertising Spend template tells you exactly that. This template breaks down your ROAS by provider, channel, or platform, allowing you to see which medium is generating the greatest bang for your buck. Here, we can see our total campaign spend against the revenue generated, highlighting our average order value and the overall ROAS for the campaign. For every $1 spent, we generated $1.27 in revenue. But if you want to drill into the details, you can. Here, we can see our ROAS broken out by campaign, which shows which initiatives are elevating that metric and which need some work. And if you want to see ROAS broken out by channel, well, it's easy. Finally, you can see your top performing ad groups compared against the bottom performers, and we'll take learnings from the left and apply them to the right. $322 spent for 31% ROAS, that needs work. Get the Return on Advertising Spend template today with the free Joinr account.